Want viewers to actually watch your entire YouTube video? Let's master chapter markers. First things first, what exactly are YouTube chapters? They're like a table of contents for your video. By adding timestamps to your video description, you allow viewers to jump directly to the specific section they're interested in, making your content way more accessible and engaging. Getting started is super simple. All you need to do is go to your YouTube studio and find the video you want to edit under the description tab. You'll see where you can add all your text. This is where the magic happens. You need to start your timestamps with 0. So type 0 followed by the title of your first section, like introduction or getting started, then hit enter and move to the next line. Now, identify the exact minute and second where your next distinct topic or section begins. For example, if your second major point starts at 1 minute and 35 seconds into your video, you'd type 135 followed by the title of that section, like how to choose your ingredients. Continue this process for every key segment of your video. The rule of thumb is to create a new chapter marker every 10 to 30 seconds if you have short, distinct points, or less frequently if your topics are longer. The key is to make it logical for your viewer. Once you've added all your timestamps and their corresponding titles in the description, simply save your changes. You'll immediately see these chapters appear on your YouTube video player, just above the progress bar. The difference is night and day. Viewers can now quickly scan your chapters and decide exactly where they want to invest their time. This reduces viewer frustration and significantly increases that all-important watch time. Plus, YouTube's algorithm loves this. It recognizes that you're providing a structured and user-friendly experience, which can lead to better discoverability and reach for your content. So, start chapterizing today and watch your engagement soar.